Want to start using Netflix but not sure how it works? I'm Jessica, and this video will be our beginner's guide to Netflix, where you'll learn all the basics of using the service, like how to stream shows and movies, how to add titles to your list to watch later, how to adjust your settings, and more. Now let's get started. This video will show how to use Netflix on a computer, but you can stream Netflix on many other devices such as a smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or gaming system. To start using Netflix, open your preferred web browser and go to netflix.com. If you haven't made an account yet, enter your email and click Get Started to begin the sign-up process. If you have an account, click Sign in the top right corner. Enter your email and password, and click Sign in. Select which profile you want to use. You can set up different profiles for everyone in your household to keep separate viewing history, preferences, and watch lists while sharing one account. Check out our video on how to share a Netflix account to learn more. Once you get into Netflix, you'll see any suggestions for new additions to the Netflix streaming service that Netflix thinks you'll like at the top of the page. There's a menu bar at the top to easily navigate to the home page or browse TV shows, movies, new and popular titles, your list, or browse by languages. If you scroll down, you'll see your list if you've previously saved anything to watch later, your continue watching if you've previously watched something on Netflix but didn't finish it, your next watch with recommended titles Netflix thinks you'll like, and more. As you continue scrolling through the homepage, you'll see other categories of shows and movies to check out. If you're looking for something specific, you can use the search tool. Click the magnifying glass in the top right corner to open the search bar. Then type in the name of a show or movie, an actor's name, or a genre you want to watch. Netflix will then show you results based on what you searched for. If they don't have the show or movie you're looking for, they'll suggest other related titles you might like. If you see something you're interested in, you can click on it to begin watching. If you hover your cursor over the thumbnail image, you'll find options to play, add this title to your watch list, or like it. Click the downwards arrow to see more info about this title. When watching something on Netflix, there are playback controls at the bottom of the window. If you don't see the menu, just move your cursor to the bottom of your screen. Here you'll see options to play, pause, rewind by 10 seconds, skip ahead 10 seconds, and adjust the volume. In the bottom right corner, you can skip to the next episode, check out a list of episodes in the season you're watching, as well as language controls, where you can change the audio language and turn subtitles on or off. Click the full screen button in the bottom right corner to watch in full screen mode. Skip to a specific section of a show or movie by clicking on the progress bar. Go back to the main Netflix feed by clicking the arrow in the top left corner. To make changes to your Netflix settings, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Account. Here you can manage your membership, change your billing info, or update your password. To access other settings, click Edit Settings. Here you can set your preferences for language, viewing restrictions, subtitle appearance, playback settings, notifications, and more. When you're done making any changes you want to your settings, click the arrow in the top left corner to go back. When you're done watching Netflix and want to sign out, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then click Sign Out of Netflix. If you're using a private, personal device that only those in your household use, there's no need to sign out of Netflix after every use. We'd recommend signing out of your account after use if you're using a shared device or a public device such as at a library or at an Airbnb. That does it for our beginner's guide to Netflix. Traveling soon and want to save some shows or movies to watch offline? Check out this video to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.